Hey, incredible educators! Are you ready to revolutionize your teaching, streamline your research, and unlock unprecedented efficiency in your lesson planning? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can read through all your materials, textbooks, research papers, lesson plans, even student work, and instantly answer your questions, summarize content, and brainstorm ideas all while citing its sources? Well, Google has delivered. Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators, and today we're diving deep into Google NotebookLM, an absolute game changer designed to be your ultimate AI research and teaching assistant. Get ready to supercharge your professional life. Introduction to Google NotebookLM. So, what exactly is Google NotebookLM? In essence, it's a powerful AI-powered note-taker and research assistant that acts as a super intelligent personal tutor for your own documents. Instead of searching the entire internet, NotebookLM focuses solely on the information you provide it. Think of it as a private, personalized AI model trained exclusively on your teaching materials, research papers, and planning documents. For us educators, this means incredible potential. Imagine personalized learning support derived directly from your curriculum, efficient research for that new course you're developing, dynamic content creation for differentiated learning, intelligent lesson planning assistance, and a powerful tool to boost your professional development. NotebookLM is designed to make your life easier, your teaching more effective, and your preparation time more productive. Ready to unleash this power? Let's get started. Getting started with NotebookLM. First things first, how do you access this incredible tool? Step 1. Accessing NotebookLM. Simply navigate to notebookgoogle.com. You'll need a standard Google account to sign in, the same one you use for Gmail or Google Docs. It's that easy. Step 2. Overview of the NotebookLM interface. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface. On the left, you have your notebooks list where all your projects are organized. In the center, we have the source panel, which displays the documents you've uploaded. To the right, you'll find the chat interaction panel. This is where the magic happens, where you'll ask your AI questions. Audio overviews are lively deep dive discussions that summarize the key topics in your sources. This is an experimental feature, and below are some notes to help you get started. And directly below that, the notes panel, a dedicated space to save useful AI responses or your own thoughts. Step 3. Creating your first notebook. To begin a new project, simply click the plus new notebook button. Give it a descriptive name, maybe Unit 5 file handling in Python, research project, or differentiated instruction resources. This helps keep everything organized. Adding and managing sources. The heart of NotebookLM lies in its sources. The AI can only learn from what you provide it, so adding your content is crucial. NotebookLM currently supports several types of sources. Let's walk through them. 1. Uploading PDFs. This is incredibly useful. To upload a PDF, click Add a Source, then Upload File. Navigate to your document. Remember, for NotebookLM to work best, your PDFs should be text-based, not just scanned images. It needs to be able to read the text. Educator example. Imagine you have an exception handling on Python programming, a chapter from a textbook on file handling in Python, or your district's new curriculum document in PDF format. Upload them here, and NotebookLM will ingest their content. 2. Connecting Google Docs. Seamlessly integrate your existing Google Docs. Click Add a Source, choose Google Drive, and select the specific document you want. You can link your existing Unlock Your Teaching Superpowers. Step-by-step guide to Google NotebookLM for educators, comprehensive student assignment guidelines, or even collaborative notes from a department meeting. This keeps all your dynamic planning documents central. 3. Adding web links URLs. Got a great article or online resource? Just paste the URL, click Add a Source, select Paste Link, paste the URL, and NotebookLM will import the content from that web page. This is perfect for adding links to educational articles from reputable sites, primary source websites for history lessons, or online museum exhibits you want to incorporate into your teaching. 4. Pasting text. For quick snippets, you can directly paste text. Click Add a Source, select Paste Text, and then paste your content into the provided box. You might paste excerpts from a detailed email about a new school policy, specific difficult passages for analysis from a book that you want the AI to explain, or even a student-written text. And managing your sources is simple. If you need to remove a source, just click the three dots next to its name in the source panel and select Remove. Interacting with your sources using NotebookLM's AI. Now for the truly exciting part. Interacting with your sources using NotebookLM's powerful AI. This is where you transform passive information into actionable insights, asking questions about your sources. This is your starting point. You can ask direct questions about the content within your uploaded documents. How to use? Type your question into the chat box at the bottom right. Press enter or click the send button. NotebookLM will generate an answer based only on your sources. Next question. According to this syllabus, what are the learning outcomes for exception handling? Notice how NotebookLM provides citations, showing you exactly which document and often where in that document the information came from. This is crucial for academic integrity. Generating summaries. Need to quickly grasp the main points of a lengthy document? NotebookLM can summarize it for you. How to use? In the chat box, type a prompt like summarize this document or provide a bullet point summary of. You can specify the document by referencing its title. Provide a 5 bullet point summary of my uploaded lesson plan on file handling in Python. This saves you so much time, especially when reviewing large research papers or policy documents. Generating outlines or study guides. Next interesting feature is to create study guides. Click Create Study Guide. Boom. NotebookLM auto-generates questions and answers based on your source material. Great for students preparing for exams or teachers prepping quizzes. Make timelines. Have a biography or project with many dates. NotebookLM can auto-generate a timeline, pulling relevant events in order, perfect for history lessons or project planning. Build briefing docs. Upload training videos or onboarding materials, then click Create Briefing Doc. In seconds, you get a clean summary to share with your colleagues, students, or administrative members. Generate AI podcasts. NotebookLM can turn your sources into custom podcasts. Great for passive learning while commuting, walking, or relaxing. I created a 2-minute podcast summarizing one report. Sounds natural, even includes dialogue. It's like having experts talk to you. Generating mind maps. NotebookLM includes an innovative function that generates brainstorming mind maps directly from text. For learners and anyone processing information, these mind maps are incredibly beneficial, offering a more intuitive and effective path to understanding. Who should use this? Teachers building lesson plans, students summarizing textbooks, researchers analyzing documents, trainers for creating reports or training guides, content creators turning documents into podcasts. So, what would you use NotebookLM for? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools for educators, and share this with a friend who needs it. I'm Govindaraja Kariappa from TechToolsForEducators, and I'll see you in the next video.